Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. Today we're working on a Mercedes A200d with a 9-speed automatic gearbox. The issue? A strange flapping noise the customer reported. And turns out it's pointing to a faulty dual mass flywheel. Before we could even get near the flywheel, we had to remove both drive shafts to get the gearbox out. Here's the crossmember that came off during that process. Now, let's get into the flywheel itself. Before removing the bolts, I'm locking the outer section of the dual mass flywheel to stop it from rotating independently while I loosen the bolts from the crankshaft. This keeps everything steady and prevents the flywheel from absorbing torque while I work. With those out, I give it a quick spin, and yep, it's broken. You can clearly see the movement is way too free. That's our culprit right there. Next, I remove the bush to check its condition. I used a puller tool for this. I'll drop the link to it below. Slider hammer goes in. And here's the bush out. You can see it's completely bent and seized. Definitely not reusable. We'll need a new one of these too. And here's the puller tool that made it all happen. Always handy to have around. So, new flywheel and bush are now on order. Here's a quick look at the gearbox we removed earlier. And before we wrap up, keep watching to see behind the scenes action. And if you're tackling something similar, I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see how the reassembly goes. Here comes the crane. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll get everything installed and back in running shape.